Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about types of crockery, cutlery, and serving plates and dishes vocabulary. Crockery or dinerware. Crockery is a broad term that it is used to refer to various types of tableware. This would include any type of dishware that is used at the table during mealtime. Crockery can include all forms of dishes such as plate, as well as serving platters, bowls, and dishes that are used to hold condiments such as a gravy bowl. In general, crockery tends to have a simple and somewhat utilitarian design. While there are exceptions, crockery usually features little or no decoration. The emphasis is on holding up well to repeated use. Crockery can be safely loaded into a dishwasher or washed by hand. This type of dishware usually does not require any special type of handling as the construction is durable enough to hold up to repeated usage. Some examples of crockery and flatware. We have mugs, coffee cups, teacups, teaspoons, plate, bowl, cafetiere, teapot, pitcher, egg cup. Wine glass and tumbler goes into the category of glassware. Napkin ring, napkin, side plate, dinner plate, forks, soup bowl, soup spoons, spoons, and knife. This is a list of serving dishes. Some of them. We have fruit bowls, butter dishes, salad bowl, platter, salver, which is a silver tray, casserole, vegetable tray, chafing dish. Those are the ones we use in the buffet to keep the food either cold or warm or hot. We have serving bowls, dinner plates, luncheon plates, dessert plates, bread and butter plates, and mugs, among others. Cutlery. Cutlery is a fancy word for silverware or flatware. It's the pieces we set on the table on a daily basis, for example, forks, knives, and spoons. Most Americans associate cutlery with knives and other kitchen cutting implements, but in reality, the term cutlery can be associated with any type of utensil. We have, for example, dinner spoon, dinner fork, dinner knife, dessert spoon, dessert knife, dessert fork, soup spoon, teaspoon, coffee spoon, sugar spoon, ice cream spoon, soda spoon, butter knife, fish fork, cake fork, fruit fork, serving spoon, salad fork, and salad spoon. And just as a plus, we have the parts of a knife. We have blade, handle, also known as scale. We have the spine, we have the point, we have the tip, the belly, the cutting edge, heel, bolster, tang, rivet, and butt. And that's it for today, guys. See you in class. Bye-bye.